Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right elastic and tools so the job is predictable. Start with braided or knit elastic sized for your project. Make sure you have a safety pin, bodkin, seam ripper, tape, and marker ready. Cut elastic to waist measurement plus 2 inches, then trim a bit shorter if you want a snug fit. Once done, anchor one end with a pin at the casing opening and feed carefully, keeping even tension so the elastic doesn't twist or flip. You now feed the elastic through the casing, attach a safety pin or use a bodkin and push it through with steady motion. Make sure you do not stretch the elastic while threading, that causes uneven gathers once relaxed. Work the fabric forward rather than pulling from the pin, that reduces bunching. When both ends meet, overlap about 1 inch and secure with a zigzag or triple stitch, reinforcing with backstitching. Once stitched, release the fabric so gathers distribute evenly. You finish by trimming excess elastic and closing the casing with a neat seam, then try the garment on to confirm fit and comfort. If the elastic has twisted inside, reopen the seam where necessary and reroute using a wider safety pin or a dedicated elastic guide to prevent flipping. If the elastic is worn or chews up while threading, replace it and keep steady, gentle tension during rethreading. One key troubleshooting tip: if gathers are uneven, press lightly and redistribute before final stitching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.